Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by checking the alarm model and how it's powered. This matters because procedures differ for battery versus wired systems. Once identified, open the keypad cover or main panel, use a screwdriver if needed, and have your installer or master code ready. You should also silence immediate beeps by pressing the keypad's silence or off button while you work. Make sure to notify household members you are stopping the alarm so nobody is surprised when sensors are temporarily disabled. Next, enter the installer or master code to access the system menu and go straight to the trouble or sound settings. This is where you can mute beeps or clear trouble alerts. Once the keypad stops beeping, remove the backup battery from the main panel to stop persistent chirps caused by low battery. If the panel still beeps, switch off AC power at the circuit breaker. Do this after silencing so the system does not trigger alarms during the power transition. To finish, install a fresh compatible backup battery and then restore AC power. This prevents future chirps from low voltage. Once power is back, reboot the panel and run system or sensor tests until you see a normal status light or readout. If beeping returns, check for error codes on the display and inspect wiring connections at sensors. Loose wires often cause trouble. If you still can't stop the beeping, call your alarm company or a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.